Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is one of the topics from Morphology, that's coinage. Let's try to understand this through its definition. One of the least common processes of word formation in English is coinage. That is the invention of totally new terms. Now, when you talk about invention of a totally new term in English, sometimes it takes place intentionally, sometimes it happens unintentionally, but it happens, and that's called coinage. When you invent new word consciously, unconsciously in a language, it's termed as coinage. Most typical sources are invented trade names for companies' product which become general terms. For example, if you see, Cadbury is a term commonly used in India for a chocolate bar. When such proper nouns become common nouns to represent the object or idea associated with the noun, they are known as eponyms. For example, if you see this term Cadbury, it is used for all other brands in India for chocolate bar. Like there are so many brands here. If you see Snickers and Marsh and so many other brands. But when a child goes to a shop to buy these brands, he will ask for a Cadbury, and Cadbury is a different brand, but Cadbury is used for all other brands in India. Another example, Colgate. If you see, Colgate is also used for all other brands. When a child or anyone goes to a shop to buy a toothpaste, he says, give me a bubble Colgate, give me close-up Colgate. But Colgate is a different brand. Close-up, bubble, all these are different brands. So it becomes eponyms, because when you use a proper noun as a common noun for other objects, it becomes an eponyms, and it's a new invention. So Colgate is used for all other brands in India. If you see next one, goes with phenyl also. There are so many floor cleaners. If you say Presto, Lysol, Dettol, but when you go in a shop and you ask for a floor cleaner, you say that you want phenyl. But if he gives you, the salesman or shopkeeper gives you Lysol, Dettol, you are satisfied with that, but you are asked for phenyl. So this happens unconsciously. So that's called eponyms. If you see next one, Xerox. Now this is most commonly used word in India. If you see for papers, photocopies, we use Xerox, but actually Xerox is a term, a name which is used for machine. This Xerox machine is called Xerox, but we have used this proper noun as a common noun for photocopies, but we should avoid using that. We should say photocopies. We should avoid saying Xerox. Next term, if you say Vaseline, we use it for ointments or lubricants. It can be any Abreva or any other lubricants, but we call it Vaseline. Again, we use this term as an eponym. Then there are other known eponyms in English. For example, some are named after the person who invented the respective objects, like Watt after James Watt, Volt after Alessandro Volta, Fahrenheit after Gabriel Fahrenheit, Jacuzzi after Capdido Jacuzzi. It's a hot bath, tub you can say. And sandwich, it's after John Montague, 4th Earl of Sandwich. Earl of Sandwich is a noble, you can say, the rank which was given to John Montague. So because of this noble rank, this object was called sandwich, and who for the first time insisted on having bread and meat together while gambling. So when he was gambling, he for the first time insisted on having bread and meat together when to eat this object. So it was called sandwich. If you see next term, which are named after the places, like denims and jeans, these two are fabrics. If you see first one, denims, it's named after the city of Nimes, Serge de Nimes, France, where the fabric was first made. So this denims, it's a name of a place, Serge de Nimes. It's in France, and at this place only the first fabric was first made. That's why we call this fabric as denims. Next one, jeans, this word has come from Genoa, a place in Italy where the first denim trousers were made. So these are eponyms. Thank you very much.